Pakistan has confirmed that it has received the fifth generation J-35A Chinese stealth fighter jet. This comes after Beijing fast-tracked a deal with Islamabad for the delivery of 40 such jets. China has offered Pakistan a 50% discount on these fighter jets along with the easy payment options. Pia Maan is joining me on that note. Now, as there were speculations earlier, in fact, why Pakistan's nefarious terrorist plots are being strengthened and backed by Chinese on, in fact, the terrorist attacks against India. Now, Pakistan has itself made it official with the confirmation that's coming. Beijing fast-tracking more defense artillery in the Pakistan's kitty. Pia, share more details.
Indeed, Simran, fresh developments coming in. Pakistan has in fact received a fifth generation Chinese fighter jet. This is the J-35A. It is in fact a stealth fighter jet. You can see the visuals on your screens. But remember, just a few days back, Pakistan's Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar has visited Beijing. He was humiliated over there. We all remember seeing his touchdown at the airport. There was no red carpet, let alone a senior official. China, of course, is upset. We all know how India absolutely destroyed Chinese weapons, their HQ-9 systems. Their PL-15 missiles were in fact found in India intact. So all of that has culminated in China now providing more weapons to Pakistan, expediting this J-35A jet deal. What's interesting is that these jets are now being offered on discount to Pakistan, a 50% discount nearly. So of course Pakistan Air Force and their their incompetence was clearly seen when they could not prevent Indian strikes on, whether it's the 9 Pakistan terror camps or their air bases, of course, which was done in deterrence, in response to the terror attacks that had taken place in India. Pakistan is rattled, we all know that, but China too, as we can clearly see with the fact that they are continuing to give more defense equipment to Pakistan. But what's also interesting, Simran, is that there's a lot that is happening as far as dam construction is also concerned. Islamabad has also been seeking the expedition of the Mohammed Dam in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which has been pending since 2019. Now it's seeking this expedited construction because India has now paused the Indus Water Treaty. So all these developments are rather interesting.
Well, all right, Pia. Thank you very much. With more updates now, let's also shift our focus to more developments amid the nosedive in bilateral ties. Bangladesh